Nine. Mud. Joanna. Mud. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mercedes. Oh, that's not my name anymore. Sorry. That girl Mercedes. It's coming to you live from G35 statistics. Yup. Statistics. I'm kidding. I'm back, I think. But this time we're doing it different. This time we're having fun.
What do you mean by that?
Okay, like I don't care what anyone says. We're having fun. This is why we're having a V-brand. You get what I mean? So like now I'm actually like, I just want to show you how I really be. Like not just show you the content. Like let's talk, let's chat. You know, let's build a sisterhood. Let's build a community. Like shout out to you, the girls. So yeah. So today you're just gonna join me. My mom and I are running some errands. Yeah. Can I just be honest with you? The point is, I just want to have fun. Like, I'm tired of taking myself so seriously. Like, I'm young, I'm fun, I'm free, you know? So, like, I just want to have fun, not take everything too seriously. This is what I'm wearing. My OTD. It's just like gym wear. I got that bag. The Google told me these are bussin', okay? They're bussin' and they're still hot. So So we're trying some Fanta fruit twist, also imported from
America.
Made in Great Britain. British, we love us some tea. Smell? Fascinante. Drink. And it says made with fruit juice. Cheers, bets.
Hey, let me test this. How does it taste? Sweet. So sweet.
You don't like it?
You know what it tastes like?
What?
Fanta mango.
You're right.
Like I'm actually
But
getting
like,
nostalgia.
why do they go Fanta? When I catch
Fanta
you,
should count their days because
like
Fanta mango was the best thing that has ever come out of this
and they were like,
country
no.
and ever happened. And then they were like, actually, y'all are ungrateful.
Y'all should count.
So we're pulling it back. How would I rate this?
9, 8,
7.
9,
I'd say 7.
8.
It's not
8.5.
It's good. I like it. It's refreshing. Or maybe it's because it's my first sip. I don't know. It's refreshing. Go make your mom taste it. Gonna go back to bed, y'all. Peace. Morning, guys. Any plans? I will see. I don't know. I don't have any plans. I think we'll just go with the flow. Like whoever wants to plan with me will plan. I'm just gonna do some like boring stuff. I'm going to fold some laundry. I just wanted this to be a PSA to drink your water. It's important. got to have the H2O in your system. But never did I ever say that you should quit your coke addiction. I never said that, okay? In fact, I strongly promote the coke addiction. I feel like it's necessary. You feeling low? Have a coke. You feeling sad? Have a coke. You feeling tired? Have a coke. You feeling depressed? Have a coke. I never said you should stop it. I just said there should be some balance, okay? So you must layer your stomach first with some water, and then you can drink the coke. Science. I haven't come up with that. Albert Einstein did, not me, okay? This is my breakfast, by the way. It's a piece of garlic bread. Cool. Hey guys. So I started a project which I clearly overwhelmed myself with. So now I'm gonna go on a walk with my friend. So this is, I don't even want to show you the state because I feel like Lunjaja, but I want to show you. That is nasty. Like, okay, wait. Where can I put this? Shirt. Yeah, this is as far as it can go. My brother's shirt. Yeah, you see. Crocs. These baggy pants. They're like tracksuit pants. And that's about it. Oh, and these glasses. That's a Vaseline on my lips, but let's top it off. It's a bit colored. But I'm just gonna put some there. Then I'm going to fetch my lip gloss from wherever my little sister, my little brother stole it from because I'm upset. I'm upset. 50,000 on my ass. That's disrespect. Ooh, new location. They tried to gaslight me into thinking my lip gloss is gone off of the face of the earth, and I know who took it. Like, it's the menaces. You like my bracelet? I'll give you more teeth. I think I look cute. Shut up, later, something like that.
I'm dealing with a lot of rejection.
Oh, I do. Hi guys, this is my friend Ipelang. Hi. And then you've met Bukelo, I guess.
Yeah.
We're going to be trying
Cherry cola.
cherry Coca-Cola flavors.
Yeah.
What's this? Is it written in Dutch? Like,
Yo.
Yeah. Right. So we've heard some really good things about cherry Coke. Apparently it tastes really good, says the Americans. I don't trust them anymore. So
Oh, at least it didn't explode.
Mm.
Okay,
What
first.
is my gum?
Oh, right. Am I sick?
I can feel it, guys. Oh, hi, Maddie. That's not bad, actually. I like it. Guys, should I be concerned?
That just want to go
I
back.
swallowed my gum.
Yes, let's put it in a bottle.
It's nice.
It's nice, eh?
The aftertaste is interesting.
Interesting.
But before that, it's nice.
Shut.
It tastes like pills.
That's what the aftertaste is.
like pills.
Right.
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 Let's have it again.
But I like it as well.
It's nice until the aftertaste.
It tastes like normal Coke until the pill.
Effect, né?
The pill
It's like
effect.
a nice.
I like it. It's like
so
a...
nice.
Right. So these are trolls. Trolls Takis what? The Arabian version. Arabian version. Let's taste test it. Keep Lee style. And we'll rate it from 1 to 10.
I'm not gonna taste it.
You don't taste it?
No.
Kind of nice.
So are you ready?
Let's see.
Here you go. Wait, before you eat it,
We do a cheers.
we do the cheers. Clink.
Plus, I don't eat spicy stuff.
Everything can be for everyone.
That's the thing. Right.
Yeah, it's not terrible.
It's just not for me.
Yeah. Would I buy it again? No.
Never.
She just let me know, but it don't no fear. Didn't take me from here, but she still gonna hold on. It ain't safe from here, but that is fine. Let you go. Let you
That I need ya. Hi guys, we back. We back with another hit, another killer. Phone was died, so like, I couldn't show you that. But now we are at the municipality. You know, going around town, making my way downtown. Anyway, making our way downtown.
You know what the
walking
is?
fast was.
We were actually thinking about getting KFC. And mommy phoned us.
Yeah,
She was
and
like,
then
"I
my
got
mom,
KFC."
she's so sweet. She's like, go pick up your order. I ordered for you at KFC. I'm like, oh my god, you are so sweet. Thank you so much. So yeah, it smells like lavender here. So we were just here to get paid, just to pick up couple of things. Everything is happening so freaking fast. So that's why I'm just like, I don't know.
I've been going through something, girl, console me. I've been making quickly, yeah, you can't control me. If you're not right by my side, where will I go? If you ever switch sides, how will I know? Oh, I made so many sacrifices for us to go.